So this is a little pressure washing job I did for Andy and Diane. See the pavment's nice and white. Go along the fence, side of the house. Looks good. Did the pad for the AC. Down the side of the house, back of the house. Just the back fence. Down here is all full of leaves and stuff. Mess. And then the other wall. New fence. I pressure washed those bricks, but the overspray kind of make a mess of it. Here's the lanai looking nice and white again. Pressure washed the deck. And got most of all of it off. Looks pretty good. Nice and white.